Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and happy 2018. Like, how is it 2018 already? Anyways, a ton has happened even in the last 2 weeks of 2017 that I can't wait to update you guys on, but I'm gonna save that for another video. Today I wanna try to do a daily vlog so that you guys can see the difference between a weekly vlog and a daily vlog and let me know which one you like more. So basically, a daily vlog, you get to see a much more in-depth peek into what I do from when I wake up, how I get ready, and step-by-step process of what I do during the day rather than glimpses of full weeks. So yeah, just let me know in the comments or DM me, email me what you want to see. But let's get started and let me know what you think. Chat with you soon. So because it is 2018, I did want to do some stuff that were a lot more like real. So I literally have just woken up. This is what my face looks like when I just wake up. Super bloated because that's just the type of person I am. I just sent off some emails and organized my SD card so I would have enough storage to talk to you all today. And yes, you can see that I have one finger that doesn't have nail polish because I had sliced it with a peeler over the holidays. And so now I need to paint this guy so I don't look like a weirdo. And I am going to go brush my teeth, wash my face, and we will go get started and make some coffee. I always have so much trouble picking out toothpaste. Okay, so now that my face is all washed, I need to prep it. And sorry, pardon my nasally voice. I am still recovering from my disgusting cold slash flu. Don't know what it was, but it was disgusting. And I haven't left the house in almost 2 days, but I am going to leave the house today, so I thought I'd bring you along. I need to find my lip balm. I don't know where it went. I've been using this guy, good old Carmex. It's not my favorite, but it'll do the trick because my lips are so dry from being sick. My face is ready to at least make coffee and breakfast, and I will come back and do my brows and just add a little powder so that I don't look ghostly. I'm gonna make some coffee now with one of my many coffee machines. I don't know which one yet. So while the water is boiling for coffee, I'm going to change. So let's go see what I am going to wear today. It will very likely be a very thick sweater with a couple layers underneath and some jeans because it's still freezing in Toronto. So also, I forgot to tell you that I got engaged over the holidays. There will be another post slash a video about it depending on how the vote on Instagram stories goes this morning. Okay, this is what I chose, my go-to acne sweater. Can't imagine what I would have done this winter without it, and sorry for the dusty windows, I have to clean that. And I'm wearing my Citizens of Humanity by Wilfred, Times Wilfred. It's a collab they did on several cuts of jeans, but this cut is definitely my favorite. It's high-waisted, it's cropped. Travis likes to call these my flood pants, but I still really like them. I think I heard the boiling of the water finish, aka coffee time. I got some of the Starbucks Christmas blend coffee over the holidays, and I'm obsessed. Sorry, my face was really close there. It is so delicious. So I get the coffee beans before they're grinded, and I grind them myself because I find that you get the full fresh flavor of the coffee beans when you do it that way. And I keep my coffee beans in the freezer so they stay fresh longer. What do you guys do? It's normal, right? I think that's normal. If it isn't, let me know. So, yes, we are grinding here. Let's see. This is my little machine corner. Oh, it's done. Never mind. So I got a French press, a gold one over the holidays, and let's just say I'm a little obsessed. So I only have about 20, I only have about 20 minutes before I have to go, so probably all the coffee I'm gonna make. Usually I fill it up to the very top so that I can drink it while I work. So let's just make sure it goes on properly. So this is gonna be a really strong pot of coffee, which I don't mind because I like strong coffee. But while this is steeping, I usually let it steep for about 4 to 5 minutes. I am going to do my brows. So yeah, you can see that I have this two huge ass pimples, but I'm not really one for concealer, so I'm just gonna live with it. I do get some stares sometimes, but you know what? Life is full of flaws. This is kind of hard without a mirror. When you get a mirror, can't really see it properly. But let's try it like this first. I think they're okay. I'll check them out in the mirror later, but I think that they're pretty even. I just wanted to fill in some little gaps. Usually I grab whatever is on top of my makeup pile, so we're gonna use the NARS today. I just like to add a little bit of glow on my face. Okay, I really need a mirror now because the camera's becoming really dark. Because otherwise I just feel a little pale, especially now that I dyed my hair darker. I find that I look a lot more pale than I thought I was. So I guess it's true, if you want to feel more bronzed, you should dye your hair lighter. But I do like my hair darker now. What do you guys think? So just a little bit of bronzer powder everywhere. Slash under my cheekbones, a little bit on my nose, under my jawline. And last but not least, my favorite Caudalie Beauty Elixir, which is almost out. I have it on my Sephora shopping list, so that's it. I don't think that's been 4 minutes because I literally used 3 products, but I did make the coffee extra strong this morning, so it might be done. We shall see. Okay. I also love that I have so much more light now. When I had the Christmas tree up, there was no light because it blocked the entire balcony light. Okay, so let's grab my mug, my speckled mug, and we can pour the coffee now. So mine has like one edge that's fully covered, but if you turn it, you can see that there are these lines so that you can pour it when you're ready, and when you're not, something's dripping. Hopefully it's just water. Okay. Okay, so while I'm sipping my coffee and waiting to leave, I'll tell you what I'm doing today. So over a week ago, me and one of my best friends went to Color Me Mine. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but it's where you like paint pottery, because she had the really cute idea of doing one of these like Pinterest famous photos of like me holding a mug that says I said yes with like my hand and the ring showing. Like you'll see it. I'll post the photo right here. And so yeah, we went to Color Me Mine. She painted that and I painted a bowl that kind of said the same thing. So I'm gonna go pick them up today and I will show you what they look like, and I'm so excited to take some photos with it because it's such a cute idea. And then I'm gonna have lunch with Philippa. I will also put her handle and hopefully she'll let me YouTube/vlog her a little bit today so you guys can meet her. And then I'll come back and I have a whole bunch of work to do and have to continue planning 2018, because the first week of 2018 almost already over. And I should really stop talking now because I'm starting to lose my voice again, as you can kind of hear. And my nose is kind of getting plugged. I'm gonna enjoy my coffee and you guys will basically see me in a second. Okay, so I'm almost on my coffee and we are going to get socks and put on shoes and put on a jacket because somehow I am always running late. All right, this is my final look. Got my Suskin coat on, these new Zara Beauties. Ignore the mess because I have to clean it up, and Trav still has to take that down, and I just painted my one little nail, so it's gonna be pointing out while it dries. And I am somehow running late, so I'm gonna have to pick up the pottery after, and I'm gonna rush to Sorel now, so fingers crossed I'm not late because I hate being late. Here at Sorel with Philippa, we have just finished our lunch. As you can see, there's no food at the table anymore because we ate. We ate before we could take any videos. And now we are just getting some more tea, and then we'll probably have to face the cold again. But thought we'd just say
I'm getting dessert.
Oh, we're getting dessert. Sorry. All right guys, so I just got back from lunch with Philippa and I picked up my Color Me Mine painted pottery on the way home because I didn't have enough time on the way there. And this is what I made. So you can see here I painted a bunch of leaves. And inside I wrote, I said yes, and the date, which was December 25th, 2017, and then just a little T&J for Trav and Jessica initials. So this is my little bowl. I haven't decided if I'm going to use it as a jewelry bowl or just as a smoothie bowl, so you guys might be seeing a lot more of it in my basically flat lays. And then I also went with one of my best friends, Courtney, and she made me this. And it says, I said yes, in mug form with a cute little arrow, so that I can, well, one time I will attempt to do like this photo. And you guys can see the ring. And that's it. So that's super exciting. Like I said, I'm not very crafty or don't have too many plans for my wedding, so it's really exciting when my friends are as excited as I am and have awesome ideas like this to celebrate. So I'm super happy about these two, and now basically I think I'm gonna get a whole bunch of work done, have some emails to respond to, continue to organize 2018, but this is where I am going to end the vlog. I have had a great time with you guys following me along today, but I do feel that my voice needs a rest. I can feel kind of my lungs starting to clog up again, even though I'm feeling better, so I should probably stop talking. But I wanted to say thank you, and thank you for watching again. And please subscribe if you haven't already, and like the video so that I know that this is what you want to see more of, or if you want to see more weekly vlogs like I did before, or you prefer these daily ones. But I will for sure talk to you guys again very, very soon, and thank you again for watching. So see you next time.